In this video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock login problems. Step 1. Double check your credentials. Ensure you're entering the correct registered email address and passwords. Passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Forgot the password? Use the Forget Password link on the Peacock login page to reset your password via email. Check your spam folder if you don't receive the email. Step 3. Peacock service status. Visit Peacock's official social media pages or Down Detector to see if there's a service outage preventing logging in. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Clear your browser cache and cookies or clear app data/cache if using the Peacock app. Step 5. Update Peacock app and browser. Ensure your Peacock app and web browser are updated to the latest version for compatibility. Step 6. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough. Restart your router if needed. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it and try logging in again, as Peacock may block these connections. Step 8. Reinstall the Peacock app. You can uninstall and reinstall the Peacock app to clear any corrupted files affecting your logging in. Step 9. Contact Peacock support. If none of the previously mentioned methods work, reach out to Peacock customer support via their help center for personalized assistance. And that's how you resolve your login issues on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can of course leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out. Have a nice day. Bye.